These days, all the negative energy in the ether can really bum you out and foster self-destructive behavior. To cure these problems, you've already tried all the conventional routes: analysis, self-help books, even slept with subliminal tapes, hoping that your problems would just float away on the wings of Morpheus. None of those things helped, did they? No. But now we've got a better way. The ultimate in auto-healing for your world-weary psyche, Hubco's New Age Exploitation Audio Press offers Surpaliminal education and conditioning auto-prompting audio improvement devices.
You mean tapes?
Shut up. Listen to a soothing sample of our smoking cessation volume.
Stop smoking! Stop smoking! Smoking is gross! It gives you bad breath and causes cancer! Stop smoking!
Lose a few pounds with our supportive weight loss volume.
Get that cupcake out of your mouth! Stop eating!
Deal with obsessive-compulsive disorders of all kinds.
Hey! Stop that! Do that again and I'll smack you!
Send $10 to Hubco's New Age Exploitation Audio Press for our catalog. Or if you heard a volume here tonight that would be of help to you or a loved one, simply send us about $100, and we'll send it right off. Promise. Begin your journey on a long road to a healthier, well-adjusted, holistic lifestyle. That address is Hubco's New Age Exploitation Audio Press, a house on Daffodil Drive, somewhere in New Jersey. Oh. Remember, every journey begins with but a step.
So get moving!